In the wave of digital transformation, enterprises are accelerating the containerization and microservices evolution of their core businesses. However, along with this comes the severe challenge of business continuity. Room failures, unplanned outages, any interruption can bring immeasurable losses. How to provide data center-level disaster recovery protection for your critical containerized applications? Arcfra Kubernetes Engine, AKE, version 1.5 supports the deployment of active clusters, giving you the answer. We have heard the urgent needs from our customers, especially those in the manufacturing and financial industries. For instance, a leading customer in the electronic manufacturing services field wishes to recover their MES production application at another data center within minutes if the main data center goes offline. Another customer requires that in the event of a major failure, the cluster and business operations can switch to a new site within 1 to 2 hours without interruption. In the past, deploying AKE in a single data center was efficient but lacked cross-site disaster recovery capabilities. Even if the underlying infrastructure architecture is an active cluster, technical implementation issues may still lead to failures in application deployment and operation. These challenges are precisely the core issues that AKE 1.5, with its support for dual active architecture deployment, is designed to address. AKE 1.5, based on the dual active capabilities of ACOS, provides users with a seamless and intelligent active container solution. Firstly, AKE 1.5 is capable of automatically detecting the type of underlying cluster. When deployed on an active cluster, whether it's the AKE control plane node, worker node virtual machines, or persistent volumes created through our AVE-CSI or ABS-CSI, they will all automatically adopt a 3-replica strategy, perfectly matching the active underlying infrastructure to ensure real-time synchronization and consistency of data between 2 sites. In the event of a disaster, such as a complete failure of the primary availability zone, the HA mechanism of the ACOS active cluster is immediately triggered, and all AKE node virtual machines are automatically rebuilt and activated in the secondary availability zone. This entire process requires no manual intervention, and our expected recovery time objective, RTO, is less than 30 minutes, meeting the needs of the vast majority of critical business operations. In daily deployment and operations, AKE also intelligently utilizes active resources. All nodes are deployed in the primary site by default, while also supporting flexible cross-availability domain deployment, achieving distributed load balancing. It is worth noting that we have provided a smooth evolution path for our existing users. If you are already running AKE on a non-active ACOS cluster, you can now easily upgrade AKE to version 1.5 and then convert the underlying cluster to active mode. After the upgrade, AKE will automatically complete a series of adaptation tasks. All your existing AKE-related virtual machines, including the image repository, management cluster, and workload cluster nodes, will automatically and seamlessly upgrade their storage policies from 2 replicas to 3 replicas. Similarly, all persistent volumes managed by AVE-CSI and ABS-CSI will also automatically upgrade to 3 replicas. The entire process is transparent to the upper layer running pods and does not affect business operations, clearing obstacles for you to easily move towards a dual active architecture. AKE 1.5's support for active cluster deployment is not just an enhancement in functionality, but also a fulfillment of Arcfra's commitment to the continuity of enterprise core businesses. From now on, you can confidently deploy your most critical containerized applications on the active platform built by ACOS and AKE, enjoying ultimate reliability and availability.